Swap. To exchange one thing for another. My brother and I swap clothes sometimes. We swapped phone numbers before leaving. Trim. To cut away extra or unwanted parts to make something neat or the right size. I am trimming the bushes in the backyard now. I am only trimming my beard, not shaving it. Gulp. To swallow something quickly or in large amounts, often with a noticeable sound. Take small sips, don't gulp your drink. I was so thirsty that I gulped down the whole bottle of water. Numb. Unable to feel either in your body or your emotions. My fingers are numb because it's so cold. I can't feel my toes, they are completely numb. Heap. A large pile of things placed together in an untidy way. There was a heap of dirty clothes in the corner. There is a heap of trash outside the house. Pile. A group of things placed one on top of another, a stack or heap. There was a pile of books on the table. I found my keys under a pile of newspapers. Deny. To say that something is not true, or to refuse to accept something. Don't deny your mistake, just admit it. The guard denied entry without an ID card. Dine. To eat a meal, especially dinner. Would you like to dine with us tonight? We dined at a nice restaurant last night. Shop. To buy things from a store or online. I am just going to shop for a few things. We went shopping, but didn't buy anything. Grin. To smile widely, usually showing your teeth. They grinned at each other. Why are you grinning? Did something funny happen? Ache. A continuous, dull pain in a part of the body. My tooth has been aching since yesterday. Her feet were aching after shopping all day. Snap. To break suddenly with a sharp sound. The pencil snapped when I tried to bend it. I accidentally snapped my headphones. Grip. To hold something tightly. Grip the handrail when you go down the stairs. He gripped the rope with both hands. Rift. A break in a relationship caused by disagreement. There is a rift between the two friends. The argument created a rift in their relationship. Rift. A crack, split, or opening in something physical. The earthquake created a large rift in the land. There is a deep rift in the rock. Moan. To make a long, low sound because of pain, discomfort, sadness. The injured man was moaning on the ground. He was moaning because of his back pain. Chew. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't talk while you are chewing food. Heal. To make or become healthy again after an injury or illness. The wound will heal in a few days. My cut is healing, but it still hurts. Pray. To speak to God and ask for help, guidance, or something you want. They are praying together before the meal. I pray every night before I go to sleep. Pack. To put things into a bag, box, or suitcase. I am packing my clothes for the weekend trip. I am still packing, so I will call you later.